Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I am going to review plum grapeseed and sea buckthorn oil. The full name of this product is plum grapeseed and sea buckthorn glow restore face oils blend. The provided quantity is 30 ml and the price of this one is 755 rupees. This oil have the healing properties and this video is non-sponsored. Also, the oil is free from silicons, parabens, phthalates and SLS. The main ingredients are grapeseed oil and the sea buckthorn oil, which this oil contains. Now we see what is the benefit of grapeseed oil. It is a lightweight, nutritious oil for the skin, rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and free radical scavengers. Grapeseed oil is known to reduce the skin inflammation and it helps to make the skin looks more younger. Sea buckthorn oil, this is the next ingredient. The sea buckthorn oil has excellent wound healing properties. The other ingredients are such as sunflower seed oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, grapeseed oil, uh, apricot oil, rosehip oil, olive oil, pomegranate seed extract, sea buckthorn fruit oil, and it do have fragrance, but at the last. But yes, it have fragrance. Now, how to use it? Just apply the few drops of the facial oil on the face and neck after cleansing. Then gently massage it in the from stalks and follow with the moisturizer. Here is my honest review. I have oily sensitive skin. A year ago I had bought this product just from the Nika. I had tried this in the many possible ways. First I had tried this on my face and it breaks me out. I got acne in the cheek area, also in the forehead area, chin area. Then I thought, let's try on the hands and legs and on the neck and back area. Means I had tried to exhaust this on my body. So this happened. There also it gave me breakouts. Overall, I had got irritation. And then I think I should try this in the face pack too. So I had tried this in the face pack, just 1 to 2 drops, but it gave me irritation. So much fragrance loaded in this product, super oily, money got wasted. Now applying on the feet to exhaust it. The company should provide the fragrance free version. Sorry, it gave me irritation, so I won't suggest this to any other. This is my honest review, and please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my. Thanks for watching.